Hi everyone, I'm Bob Grip, and welcome to this 12th match of the 2015 HiQ season, sponsored by New Horizons Credit Union. Today's match features students from MGM, from BC Rain, and the home team, which is Satsuma. The questions you're going to hear this morning are prepared in 16 categories by educators throughout the country who are all experts in their fields. They try to make the questions equally challenging. Now, here's how the points are awarded. In a regular category, each team will have its own question in that area. The teams will then have 4 opportunities to answer within 15 seconds. A correct answer on the first try is worth 4 points. Each time an incorrect answer is given, it's worth 1 less point. And if the team misses it entirely, either of the other 2 teams up here can gain 1 point with a correct answer, and I'll explain some of the other scoring as we go on. Now, as the faculty advisors and the supporting team members return to their seats, I'd like to tell you that the coordinator for HiQ and the producer of today's competition is Julie Harper. Our equipment managers are Joe Mills and Wendell Lewis. Now it's time to begin our competition. We always start with some questions in current events to get everybody warmed up. So good luck, teams. Score as many points as you can. So Satsuma, here's your question in current events. Good luck, everybody. The United States has recently seen an outbreak of measles. In what year did the CDC say that measles had been eliminated in the U.S.?
2003.
Try again.
2001.
Try again.
2000.
Yes, 2 points. Right. BC Rain, your question. What is the name of the, quote, new, unquote, Harper Lee novel that will be published in 2015? Five seconds. Satsuma or Mary Montgomery?
A joy to
Thank you.
A joy to summon?
No. Satsuma? No, it's Go Set a Watchman. It's actually written before To Kill a Mockingbird. Mary Montgomery, your question. This tennis player just won her 19th Grand Slam title, only 3 shy of the record held by Steffi Graf. Give her first and last name.
Serena Williams?
That's right. 4 points. Very good. Topic now is American history. Okay, back to our home team. A significant stepping stone toward the present Constitution outlined the powers of a central government for the 13 independent colonies. Adopted in 1777, this document provided a Congress as the chief agency of government, but did not allow for an executive branch. Give the name of this document.
Articles of Confederation.
That's right, 4 points. Easy Rain. The Portuguese attempted to push southward along the African coast in search of a water route to Asia. An early Portuguese explorer was the first person to round the southernmost tip of Africa in 1488. Give the last name of this explorer. Try again.
Fernandez.
Try again.
Cortez.
No. Try again. Satsuma.
De Vaca.
No. Mary Montgomery.
Magellan?
No. Bartholomew Diaz. What's on that? Mary Montgomery, your question. The busiest seaport in the South was a culturally diverse community to which French Protestant refugees were attracted by religious toleration. Many sons of English landowners also settled here to seek their fortunes, thereby giving the town an aristocratic air. Give the name of this town. 5 seconds.
St. Augustine?
Try again.
New Orleans?
Try again. Satsuma or BC Rain? BC Rain.
St. Paul.
No. Satsuma.
Mobile.
Charleston or Charlestown. No points on that. Biology is the topic now. Satsuma. Identify the type of causation displayed by a male songbird singing to defend his territory and attract a mate.
Mimicry?
Try again.
Dominance.
Try again.
Warning?
Try again.
Territorialism.
Nope. Hey, BC Rain or Mary Montgomery? BC Rain.
Mockingjay.
No. Mary Montgomery? Ultimate is what we needed. BC Rain, your question. Karl von Frisch, Konrad Lorenz, and Nico Tinbergen were awarded the 1973 Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine for pioneering the study of animal behavior in natural conditions. Identify this discipline.
Natural.
Try again. Okay, Satsuma, Mary Montgomery.
Behavioral?
No. Satsuma.
Naturalism.
No. Ethology. No points. Mary Montgomery. The appearance of an egg outside of a nest is an environmental signal that triggers a behavior, egg retrieval. The egg, which is a signal, may be identified as this type of stimulus.
A visual stimulus?
Try again.
A natural stimulus?
Try again. Okay, Satsuma.
Instinct?
No. BC Rain.
Protective?
No. Sign. Sign is what we needed. No points. All right. Time for our first toss-up of the match. Now, in this category, sports, first team to push its buzzer answers first. 4 points for a correct answer. And you can buzz in whenever you think you know the answer. So it's kind of a judgment call. Here's the question to all three teams, so hands on your buzzers. Sidney Crosby left his mark on the 2012-2013 season. Prior to breaking his jaw after a March 30th game, he was playing the best two-way hockey of his life, averaging 1.56 points in 36 games. Give the name of the team for which he played. Satsuma.
The Pittsburgh Penguins.
That's right, 4 points. All right, literature is our topic. Back to the home team again. In Alice Munro's short story titled The Moons of Jupiter, name the country to which the narrator's daughter Judith and her boyfriend were traveling.
Mexico?
Right, 4 points. BC Rain. In Louis L'Amour's short story titled Desert Death Song, one man who joined the posse in search of Nat Bodine was a lion hunter who worked for the Lazy S Ranch. Give the name of this, last name of this lion hunter, who was the only member of the posse who believed in Nat Bodine's innocence.
Webb?
Try again.
James.
Try again.
Williams.
Try again. Nope. Teams wait for the buzzer. Satsuma.
Morton.
Right. Jim Morton. Right. Mary Montgomery, your question in literature. In Truman Capote's short story titled Among the Paths to Eden, identify the specific type of food Miss O'Megan scoops out of her purse and shares with the character named Ivor on the day they happen to meet at the cemetery.
Peanuts.
That's right, 4 points. All right, now we're going to change the rules again. We're going to ask some questions in math. And because it's math and it's a little more complicated, the teams will have 60 seconds to answer each question, and they also get a copy of every question for possible bonus points. So, first question is exclusively for Satsuma. Everyone open your yellow math envelopes, please. The sign of an angle A is negative 12/13, and A, when placed in standard position of the unit circle, is in quadrant 4. The cosine of angle A can be written as a ratio P over Q of integers with no common factors. What is the product of the two integers? That is, what is PQ?
156.
Try again.
$276.
Try again. Seconds. Hey, BC Rain or Mary Montgomery? BC Rain.
156?
Sorry. Mary Montgomery? No, the answer was 65. 65. All right, next math question goes to BC Rain. Everyone open your red math envelopes, please. The angle P in standard position on the unit circle has tangent value of 3/4 and lies in the first quadrant. The secant of angle P can be expressed as a fraction a over b, where a and b are positive integers with no common factors. What is the product of a and b?
12.
Try again. Second.
20.
Yes, 3 points. Very good. Mary Montgomery, on your question, everyone open your blue math envelopes. An oblique triangle is labeled so that angle A is opposite side A, angle B is opposite side B, and similarly for angle C and side C. If A equals 6, B equals C equals 8, the law of cosines can be used to find the value of the cosine of C, and the cosine of C can be expressed as a fraction P over Q with no common factors, P and Q being positive integers. What is the value of P plus Q as an integer? 10 seconds.
12,
Try again.
24,
Try again.
30.
Try again. Satsuma.
16.
Sorry. BC Rain.
18.
11. 11 is what we needed. No points on that. Now we're going to move to another 15-second category. It's Shakespeare. Back to our home team. In Love's Labour's Lost, this character concludes the play stating, "The words of Mercury are harsh after the songs of Apollo. That you way, we this way." Give the name of this character.
Gustard.
Try again.
Baron.
Try again.
Princess of France.
Try again.
King Ferdinand.
Nope. Please wait for the buzzer. Mary Montgomery.
Dumaine.
No. BC Rain.
Armado.
Yes. Very good. 1 point. All right, BC Rain. In Henry IV, Part 2, this character states to Falstaff, "I love thee. Thou art as valorous as Hector of Troy, worth 5 of Agamemnon, and 10 times better than the 9 worthies." Give the name of this character.
Mistress Quickly.
Try again.
Jack Cornetta.
Try again. Okay, Mary Montgomery.
Doll Tear Sheet.
That's right. Or Doll, or Mistress Doll, or Mistress Dorothy. Mary Montgomery. In the Comedy of Errors, after Antipholus of Ephesus asks this character, "To what end did I bid thee hie thee home?" this character responds, "To a rope end, sir, and to that end I am returned." Give the name of this character.
Dromio of Ephesus.
That's right, 4 points. Topic now is geography. Back to Satsuma. The northernmost arm of the Mediterranean Sea separates the Italian peninsula from the Balkan peninsula. Give the name of this body of water.
Adriatic Sea.
That's right, 4 points. Great. With the exception of Vatican City, the smallest European country in area covers only 1 square mile of land. It is the second smallest and most densely populated independent country in the world. Give the name of this country.
Luxembourg.
Try again.
Czech Republic.
Try again. Satsuma.
San Marino.
No. Mary Montgomery?
Liechtenstein?
No.
No.
Monaco. Monaco is what we need. Mary Montgomery, your question. A mountain peak with the highest elevation in Europe lies on the border between France and Italy. Give the name of this mountain peak.
Mount Blanc?
Yes, 4 points. Very good. And the first half of the correct answer. That's great. Our score at halftime now is BC Rain 4, Mary Montgomery 17. The leader is Satsuma with 19 points. And now we'll take a short break while the teams make any changes they wish.
Need a loan for a newer used car, truck, RV, ATV, or even home? A credit union's the way to go. We're New Horizons Credit Union, the largest local credit union in Southwest Alabama, where your deposits help a neighbor purchase a car or home. It goes right back into our local economy. So if you live, work, worship, or go to school in Southwest Alabama, don't send your money to Mississippi or Florida. Go local. Join New Horizons Credit Union. We have roots here, not just branches.
Good luck, teams. We're going to open with some questions in chemistry. So back to Satsuma. State the name of the element that is the first exception to the Aufbau principle for the electron configuration of atoms.
Lithium.
Try again.
Magnesium.
Try again. BC Rain?
Silver.
No. Mary Montgomery?
Hydrogen.
No. Chromium. That's what we needed, chromium. BC Rain? State the name given to the amount of energy required to increase the surface area of a liquid by a unit amount. Satsuma.
Evaporation energy.
Sorry, Mary Montgomery.
Heat.
Surface tension. Mary Montgomery, your question. State the name given to the crystal system that has equal edge lengths and angles of 90 degrees. 5 seconds.
Archimedes.
Try again.
Boyle.
No. Satsuma?
Cubic.
That's right, cubic. Art history's a topic. To Satsuma. Jean-Antoine Watteau's small painting titled The Nonchalant Young Man is a full-length portrait of a young man set in a landscape scene. He's dressed in a grayish-blue outfit with a white, round, ruffled collar and cuffs. His arms are stretched out as if he's about to start dancing. Identify the specific thing that is draped over one shoulder of this young man.
A cape.
That's right, 4 points. Hey, BC Rain, here's your question in art history. Several musical instruments can be seen in this still life titled Musical Instruments by Evaristo Baskinis. The instruments are set on or propped against a table with a green tablecloth. Identify the one instrument which is placed flat on its back with strings up on a black square box in the center of the table.
Violin.
That's right, 4 points. Mary Montgomery. Completed in 1633, this structure looks like a canopy and is made of bronze, wood, and marble, and is a focal point at St. Peter's Basilica in Vatican City. Give the Italian one-word name for this tall structure which is set over the high altar.
Statue?
Try again. BC Rain buzzed in early. Satsuma.
Crucifix.
No. Now BC Rain.
Laudancio.
No. Sorry, it's a baldacchino. A baldacchino. All right, time for team choice. Now, before the match began, each team chose the subject it wanted to be quizzed on. There's 4 points for a correct answer, but in team choice, there's only one answer per team. So teams, if I rule the original team's answer wrong, buzz in immediately, and you can get 2 points instead of just 1. All right, Satsuma, you chose Shakespeare that you wanted to be quizzed on, so reminder to you and to me, 1 answer, please. In Measure for Measure, when Lucio is informed that Claudio is in prison, Lucio is told that the imprisonment is due to Claudio getting this character with child. Give the name of this character.
Juliet.
Right, 4 points. ABC Rain, we offered geography. One answer, please. The largest bay in Europe lies off the western coast of France and the northern coast of Spain. Give the name of this body of water. One answer, please.
The Red Fee.
Sorry. Satsuma or Mary Montgomery, you can buzz in at any time. Satsuma.
Bay of Biscay.
What is that?
Bay of Biscay.
Can you spell it?
B-A-C-A-Y.
No, sorry. Mary Montgomery? No, it's the Bay of Biscay. B-I-S-C-A-Y. American history is a topic. Mary Montgomery. As a response to the intolerable acts, 12 of the 13 colonies sent representatives to Philadelphia in 1774 to discuss colonial grievances. The most significant outcome of this meeting was an agreement to completely boycott British goods. Give the name of this assembly. One answer, please.
The Continental Congress.
Sorry, BC Rain or Satsuma? BC Rain.
The Philadelphia Convention?
What was it?
The Philadelphia Convention.
No, Satsuma.
Constitutional Convention?
I needed the first Continental Congress. I had to have all 3 words, sorry. All right, time for our second toss-up of the match. So hands on your buzzers, teams. It's in literature, so as soon as you think you know the answer, you can get 4 points for a correct answer. In the opening of Tony Cade Bambara's short story titled Blues Ain't No Mockingbird, the narrator's grandmother bakes cakes one day for a Christmas sale. Give the first name of the narrator's grandmother. BC Rain.
Abigail?
Sorry. Satsuma, Mary Montgomery.
Phoenix.
No. Satsuma, it's up to you. Cora. Cora. Too late. Physics is the topic. Back to our home team. Name the kind of physical quantity properly described by both its magnitude and direction.
Vector.
It's your question.
Vector.
Vector is right. Rain. Name the method of heat transfer whereby the transfer of energy occurs by the movement of a substance.
Friction.
Try again.
Static friction.
Try again.
Heat transfer.
No.
Conduction.
No. Satsuma.
Convection.
Convection is what we need to write. Mary Montgomery. State the name given to nuclei that have the same atomic numbers but different numbers of neutrons.
Isotopes.
Yes, 4 points, right. The topic is American government. Satsuma. Taxes laid on the manufacture, sale, or consumption of goods or services are imposed on items like gasoline, liquor, telephone services, and airline tickets. Give the one-word name for this type of tax.
Excise.
That's right, 4 points. Great. The youngest man elected to the presidency was 43 when he took the oath of office. Give me the full name of this president.
Franklin D. Roosevelt.
Try again.
John F. Kennedy.
Yes, John F. Kennedy, 3 points. Mary Montgomery. Employees who perform the administrative work of government are more than 2.7 million strong. About 300,000 of them work in Washington, D.C., while the remainder serve in regional, field, and local offices throughout the country and around the world. Give the two-word title of these workers. Seconds. Satsuma.
Civil service.
That's right. World history for our home team again. The idea that government should not interfere with or regulate industries and businesses stemmed from an economic philosophy prevalent in Europe during the 18th century. Followers of this philosophy believed that business owners had the right to regulate wages, working hours, and conditions in the workplace. Give the term for this economic philosophy.
Laissez-faire.
Laissez-faire, right, 4 points. BC Rain. After World War I, Irish nationalists were elected to the British Parliament but decided not to attend the sessions. Instead, the nationalists formed an underground Irish government with its own unofficial military force. Give the name of the military wing of this government.
Republic Army of Ireland.
Try again.
Sarah.
Try again.
Oh, no.
Elizabeth.
Satsuma.
The IRA.
The IRA is right, the Irish Republican Army. Mary Montgomery. After watching the Ottoman Empire decline, some Muslim leaders decided to initiate reforms and to embrace the modern world. One country became a leader in this process. The head of this country, Muhammad Ali, instituted reforms in the military and the economy. Give the name of this country.
India.
Try again.
Pakistan.
Try again.
Iran.
Try again.
Iraq.
Nope. Teams wait for the buzzer. Don't buzz in early. Satsuma.
Turkey.
No. BC Rain.
Jerusalem.
Egypt. Egypt is what we needed. Turkey was a good guess, though. All right. Time for the last question in today's contest. It's worth 4 points. I said we'd go back to math, and we're doing that again. So teams, open your white math envelopes now. If the logarithm base 270 of the logarithm base 27 of a real number p has value 0, what is the value as an integer of p? Mary Montgomery.
0.
Sorry. BC Rain or Satsuma? It's up to you. BC Rain.
10.
No. Satsuma, all yours. Five seconds. Go ahead.
1.
27 is the answer we needed. 27. No points on that. But our final score, BC Rain 11, Mary Montgomery 21, Satsuma the winner, 43 points.